Hello, I'm Mrs. Kowalski, and welcome to Academic Support. I just want to take a few minutes to welcome you and to tell you a few things about myself before we get started next week. This is my first year at Frost Middle School. The last few years I've been teaching art over at Holmes, and I was super excited because I was told I was going to get to help kids in academic support. And so when they decided to move me over here to Frost, they still are allowing me to teach this class. So I'm excited to get to know you and to help you in whatever you need help with this year in school. I just want you to know that I'm here to support you and maybe cheer you on and give you some extra help and just keep you on track. So please know that that is my intention, and that's what this class is for. So I'm looking forward to it. The other classes that I'm going to be teaching here at Frost are all going to be art classes. I'm teaching 2 of them in person in the school, and then the other 3 will be virtual for kids that are just staying home the whole entire year. I've taught before I was at Holmes. I did teach art in the district in various schools, and I'm just happy to be here. It's exciting. So I'm still learning the building and learning teachers. So if you're new to the school, then we'll be learning that part of it together. And if you have been here before, then maybe you can help me out with some things and we can help each other. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I've been married to Mr. Kowalski for 27 years, and we have 4 kids. I do talk about my kids a lot, so I apologize for that, but I do, and so you'll get to hear about all of them. But our oldest, we have 2 boys and 2 girls. Our oldest, her name is Lydia, and she's a nurse, and she lives in Petoskey, and I'm really proud of all the work she's done, especially during this time. My second is a son, and he graduated from Grand Valley State University in the spring, and right now he is applying to medical school because he hopes to be a doctor. And then I have a son, Charlie, and Charlie is taking, I had to think about it for a minute. He's taking classes at Schoolcraft College, and actually this summer he went and lived up north with his sister, so I'm anxious for him to come home soon because I really miss him. And then my youngest, her name is Vivian, and Vivian is starting her 2nd year at Northern Michigan University, although she decided to take a semester off and take classes online at a community college, just because up there, Northern is in the UP, it's pretty far away and they're very isolated, and she just did not like being confined to her dorm that whole time. So hopefully she can go back in January. We're hopeful about that. So that's my family, and you'll hear more about them later as we get to know each other. And I want to get to know you too. So until next week, that's it, and I look forward to seeing you. Talk to you soon.